Just-in-time delivery is making sure that we don't send more than we need to at that time to our job sites. We don't want to clutter up our job sites. Rather than sending out an entire floor to a project, we have broken down our fabrication orders by the sequence it's going to be installed, and we send it out in that sequence.
As we go through construction, oftentimes things pop up at the last minute, and MacDonald-Miller is extremely good at pre-planning their work, but also being adaptive to changing situation. The way they prefabricate their ductwork just in time means that as changes happen on the job site, they're able to react to them and still deliver the product that we're expecting on the schedule that we're expecting it.